Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready, app installed and account signed in. Open the document you want to check or paste text directly into the editor, and then choose language and writing level so suggestions match your needs. Once done, set goals like tone and audience. This guides the checker to prioritize formal versus casual fixes. Make sure microphone and clipboard permissions are enabled for live checks and quick pastes. Then tap Analyze or Check to begin the first pass of corrections. You'll see a prioritized list of issues: grammar, clarity, then tone, and you should address them in that order to preserve meaning. As you go through suggestions, use accept or reject so you keep control. Edit manually when context-sensitive choices don't fit. Also explore alternative phrasings the app offers and play the read aloud to hear sentence rhythm and catch awkwardness. Once you've applied most fixes, run a style pass to unify tone and perform a final scan for punctuation and formatting. You're near the finish. Run a final full check to ensure no critical grammar or consistency errors remain, then export your clean text to docx, PDF, or copy it back to the source. Make sure to sync changes if you use cloud storage. If the app suggests incorrect changes or changes the intended meaning, toggle specific grammar rules, add words to your personal dictionary, or recheck with more context by pasting surrounding sentences. One troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive style settings if edits feel too strict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.